Hi everyone, in case you missed class today is Friday, October 9th. I just wanted to make a screen video to show you what you missed. So the first thing you're going to do is go into Google Classroom and scroll down to where it says October 5th through the 9th, Friday. And I'm actually going to rename this for next week. Next week we'll have class Tuesday and Thursday. So I will make this Tuesday through Thursday and I'll move it down into the October 13th through the 15th section. But I just wanted you to see where everything is for now. When you click on this, you're going to get some instructions in here. Open your class Google folder, which is right here. This is a shortcut to the class Google folder. So you're going to open it, you're going to find your name, and you're going to type claim data warrant, because this is going to be a working document that will become your product worth a test grade, 100 points, due at the end of next week, due October 16th. So you got lots of time, and we're going to work on this in class next week. So again, you're going to click on that folder, and this is the second period classes folder. You're going to choose your name, double click on it, and what you're going to do is create a new document. So you're going to go over here and do new Google Doc, and you're going to name it CDW paragraph. CDW stands for Claim Data Warrant. When you open your paragraph, your document, you're going to have typed Claim Data and Warrant in it. And you can see I've done that already. Okay. So what we did in class was we first went to the Jamboard and we chose a claim. So if you go back to Google Classroom, and you scroll up in the same section to Wednesday, write a claim, you're going to see our Google Jamboard. If you click on it, you will see what the other students in our class have already written on each of these sticky notes. Okay, and we use slide 1 and slide 2. So go to the Jamboard, read what everyone wrote, and choose one that you agree with, that you could easily write a paragraph in support of. And so to choose one, you would double click on it, select the text, right click, and do copy, or do Control C, which is copy on your keyboard. Click save so it doesn't delete it. And then you're going to go back to your CDW paragraph paper, and you would click Control V or paste. And you can see I just did that. Now I already had a claim here, so I'm going to remove that for now. After you've chosen a claim, you're going to want to insert a line, because what you're going to put down here in the data section is actually things that you're going to copy and paste from Dr. Pickard's article that we read in Common Lit. And because these are Dr. Pickard's words and not your words, they're going to go down here, but we're going to put your words up here at the top. And also know that if you use someone else's claim, you can wordsmith it and make it your own. You can reword it. Okay? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we are going to, now that we have a claim, we're going to go find some data. So Common Lit doesn't let you copy and paste because that's illegal. It's called plagiarism. But we're only going to do this for the purpose of having the words in front of you that you want to use. And I'm going to show you how to not plagiarize. So you're going to go to Monday's Argument, Adolescence, and the Teenage Crush article. But instead of choosing the Common Lit one, choose the Argument PDF. Okay, when you go here, and you can make this bigger at the bottom of your screen. This will let you see the whole entire Common Lit article, the same exact article, but it also will let you select text and you can copy it and you can paste it in the data section of your Google Doc. Now it messes up the formatting, and don't worry about that because you can fix it so it's easier for you to read by deleting some of these spaces. Okay. But again, these are Dr. Pickard's words, not your words. So what you need to do is you need to go to that article in Common Lit, and you need to find any data in the whole entire article, and it's only 3 pages long, that supports your claim that you chose or wrote. And you can see here, this is all the stuff I found in that Common Lit article. Okay, so you're going to do that. You're going to gather that up. You should have at least 3 or 4. The more you have, the more you'll have to choose from. And then the last thing we did in class today was we created a citation. Okay? And we cited our source properly. If you go back to Google Classroom and click on today's assignment, you are going to see a document that I created. At the top of the document, it shows you how to cite a source that's an online database. And this came from the Purdue Online Writing Lab, which I've linked here. And you can use that as a reference anytime you would like, and I highly encourage you do. But what I did was I highlighted the information that you need to type up to create a citation. And here, in the green highlight, I did it for you, just so you can see it. So you can do it yourself, or you can copy and paste my citation into your paper. Okay, I'm going to unhighlight it because that would be incorrect. Okay, so you can see it's author's last name, first name, period. And then in parentheses is the name of the article, period. And then in italics is the journal it came from. And I had to actually go to Common Lit and scroll to the bottom of the article to find out it came from Psychology Today. That should be italicized. So you select the text and you click italics, comma, and it was published in 2012, period. Then you put the name of the database where you retrieved the article, and we retrieved that from Common Lit. That's going to be italicized, and it's all one word with the C and the L capitalized. You're going to have a comma afterward because you're going to put the link. Now it asks you for a DOI number. We do not have a DOI number because this is not that kind of a database. It's not a library database. It's a something that the school district subscribes to. So you're just going to put the link to the article. So when you were in Common Lit, you could go to the top and copy the link, and that's what you're going to paste here. And then add a period. And then you put the date you accessed it. Okay? So we did this in class today, the 9th. If you don't do this till tomorrow, you can change this to 10. Okay? All right. So once you do that, and you can, again, you can just copy mine. That's why I did it in here. So you're going to Control C to copy it. And you are going to go back to your document. And you are going to go down below warrant. And you are going to paste it. I'm just going to paste it again to show you how I make a hanging indent. So you can see this looks different than this. This is the one I've already adjusted. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to show you how to do it. You select the text. You go up to the top, you click Format, Align and Indent because we are trying to create a hanging indent. And then indentation options, the very last option. When you click that, you come down to special indent and change none to hanging. It will automatically select a 1/2 inch margin and you click apply. Because of the size of the font, it doesn't look good, so I changed the font to size 11. And basically, this is what your works cited would look like. And you're going to need a works cited for this assignment. And it should be justified left for the first line, and all the other additional lines would have that 1/2 inch indentation. And that's what a hanging indent is. This is not something you have to memorize how to do, but you do have to learn how to do it. It is in our curriculum, and it also is a skill you're going to use the rest of your life, the rest of your academic life. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. I apologize for the length. This is all we did in class today. And then next week we are going to start actually writing our paragraph. Have a great weekend.